How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. As you guys know, there is no option that shows if someone is online on Snapchat, such as on Instagram or Facebook. So Snapchat has not released any feature by which we can see if someone is online. However, there are a few things you can do. So for that, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on My Friends. Now tap on any of the friend that you want to know about. Tap on their profile icon. Now scroll down and you can find Snap Map. So here, the live location of that person can be seen here. So you are able to know when that person is online once that person shares the location. So if this does not work or if that person has not enabled this, then you can always tap on the chat icon and here send a message. Once you have sent the message, you just have to wait until this person sees the message. So if this person is online, then this delivered is going to change into opened, or that person can even reply. So that way we get to know that this person is online. As of now, these are the only ways on how we can know if someone is online on Snapchat. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.